Hey, welcome to this channel. I've just finished another great trading session with binary options. I've started with 40 bucks and I've made over $3,000. If you want to know how I did that, watch this video till the end. Let's go. Right guys, so I'm gonna start with $40 and I'm gonna go and try my luck with binary options here, and let's start from the first option of $40, 1 minute time. I'm gonna go ahead and enter into a put option right here, and the trend obviously is a downtrend at the moment, and what we see here is a pullback. So what I did is I entered right there because after the pullback the price would continue with the trend, which is down. And also we have a parabolic SAR there, the dotted line, which acts as a bit of a resistance there, so it helps to keep the trend down. So let's wait for the result of this option and continue. Here is the first profit from the first option, 93%, which is quite good. We're gonna continue using the entire balance that we make to help that balance to grow substantially, exponentially even. So let's put that in there, 77, and with this lucky number let's move on with our next option on this currency. So let's have a look. Right, so I'm looking at basically a downtrend forming, or I'm gonna go ahead with a put option here. Let's just check this quickly. Or here, like this. Let's stay here. I'm gonna go ahead and do a put option here as well, because obviously there is a downtrend formed. So the idea is that I switch between different currencies because to find this perfect situation. So there's less doubts basically, because otherwise we can be waiting for this perfect moment for a long time, and it's not good for these videos. So here you see a downtrend basically. Parabolic SAR is also showing us a resistance from the top, so we're below the dotted line, which is a signal into the short. And yeah, basically the RSI, relative strength indicator, is also was at least, it was looking down and in the lower zone. So those are good signals to go into the short. So this is the idea behind this. Let's wait for the result of this and continue. And here is the result, $139. With this we're going to continue and put it towards our next option. Don't forget guys to like, subscribe and comment. This helps channel loads, you know that. And don't forget about the description to this video, where I leave a link, invitation link to the Telegram group, where you can join and learn from me and my team. We share a lot of useful information considering regarding the binary options specifically, but also generally the trading techniques and strategies and how to build them, basically indicators and so on. So let's continue guys. Here there is a nice upper trend going on, but we are in the zone of we're in the zone of the overbuying. Yeah, so the price, then people start selling to get the profit, and there we are. Let's just wait for the result of this and continue. Here we have profit from this next option, 268. We're gonna put that toward our next option. Let's find out the next situation, and we are going to go with, so 268 I have on on the balance. I'm gonna put that in the investment panel, and I'm changing, as I said, I'm switching between the currencies because otherwise you could be waiting there for a long time for a perfect thing to happen. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, so we gonna go with the call option here. We got to a support level, and RSI is also well, RSI is actually, yeah, it's looking a bit more up now, but basically, yeah, the parabolic SAR is acting as a support, and we have the support zone there anyway. So let's wait for the result and continue. And here we have the next profit, which is $514, $515 for the next option. We're gonna go ahead with 500 to make it square, and let's find our next currency to work with. Let's see, 500 here, and let's choose the next victim and try our luck. So yeah, guys, don't hesitate to join the group because there is a lot of useful info on indicators, how to read indications, patterns, and so on. Like this, for example, this is called a morning star, so-called, this pattern. So we're gonna go ahead with a call option here because what we're seeing is there was a downtrend, and now it is forming into, although it could be a pullback at this stage, you won't be able to tell exactly, but even if it's a pullback, we have time to profit from this. We have the possibility to profit from this since we are on the 1 minute graph. So yeah, let's wait for the result and continue. This profit is getting closer to 1,000 now. This is properly, this is a properly called profit now, because we're getting to something there. We started with $40 only. So you see this, guys, I'm gonna go with a call option. As I was saying, that we started with $40 and we're getting somewhere now. You can see that, and the compound percentage works like that. If you put toward, each time you put toward the entire balance, this creates quick growth. So basically what I did here is I went with a trend, basically, because we have the oscillator RSI, we have the indicator parabolic SAR, both given us an indication to go up, and basically the trend itself as well. The trend is formed, and hopefully we're not gonna end up in a pullback. That's the thing to look to be aware of, but yeah, let's just wait for the result and continue. There we have 1,800 of profit. This is what we're going to put toward our next option, 1,800, and let's see, we have here, right. So what I'm going to do is switch to the next currency. This is going well up though. So there was no pullback, luckily there, and it still keeps going up. But then you need to be aware of pullbacks, like now. See that could be potential pullback there. Let's just change this to 1,800. Go to the next one, and here we have. So the trend is a downtrend, but we reached a zone from which we are probably going to go up. Let's go with the call option here, and yeah, let's wait and continue. Here is the profit from this option. We are in a good position here, $3,322 on the balance. This, I'm considering this a good goal reached for today's session. We're gonna stop here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you all next time. Bye.